Alright, yan mga karandom. Ito na yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no, na i-upload ko yung ah, isang nag-presentation from Davao. Pakinggan natin.
All the way from Digos, Davao City. Let's hear from our Global Marketing Director, Miss Doris Idilio.
Good morning, everyone who are watching right now in your respective homes. I would like to present to you a very relevant topic which is related to our current issue about coronavirus. I am Global Marketing Director Doris Bandasan Idilio. I am from Davao City. I am one of the Global Marketing Directors of Lifestyles Philippines. So, I'm going to discuss to you about global wellness. Health has become a commodity as precious and valuable as gold and diamonds. Tama po ba? And the need for wellness has expanded due to declining health trends, including the rise in obesity in most developed nations. And more people are focused on total wellness, quality, and balance in daily lives. So, maganda po ito yung pag-uusapan natin because we will tackle about how to handle about this recent issue about coronavirus. Okay, so did you know that in the Philippines, there are 9 people diagnosed with cancer every hour? Tapos, Philippines has the highest rates of breast cancer in Asia. And 9.7% in the Philippine adult population has diabetes. 25.7% of the Philippine adults have high blood pressure. At ang recent research po na ginawa ko, and it is the coronavirus that is the third leading cause of death nowadays worldwide. And the lifestyle solution, we have a good news because we have a business and product solution for today's lifestyle. Our commitment to quality. Lahat po ng product is being scientifically formulated to meet the health requirements and carefully tested to ensure safety, purity, and reliability. Gawa po ito ng Canada, so we are assured that ang product na ito ay safe para sa ating lahat. Okay, so what is this product? It's called Intra. So, it's been already 25 years around the world. And it has a proprietary formula exclusive to lifestyles. Ang ganda po ng produkto and it has helped millions of people around the world na nakabenefit po ng product. Ang Intra po is proudly made in Canada. And it has the highest quality control standards for natural products. So, sabi ko kanina, it's being approved. It is halal certified. And lahat po ng standards po, nakapasa po yung product natin. Okay. So, Intra comes from extracts, botanicals. These are the living plants which are being harvested, fresh and potent. They are naturally dried and wala pong chemicals and they are stored in bulk. Intra can support the 8 biological systems. Ang ganda po ng product na ito kasi lahat ng parte ng katawan mo matutulungan po. So, when and how to use Intra? Ang maganda po ng Intra, anybody can use the product. Actually, age 1 to 101 years old. Pero ako, gumamit ako ng product, hindi pa, nung 25 ako, maganda po yung produkto kasi kahit buntis ako, minom ako ng Intra, and our baby at that 1 month old, nakainom na po siya ng Intra hanggang ngayon. He is now 11 years old taking the products Intra and Nutria. Tapos, maganda po yung product kasi makainom ka ng 28 to 168 ml daily, depende sa need mo. Kahit inumin mo man yan ng buong isang bottle a day, pwede po yun. Kasi wala siyang overdose. And any time of the day, pwede mo siyang inumin. You just have to become consistent in your daily dose of Intra for you to obtain the best result. Okay, so that's about Intra. Right now, we will introduce to you about the second product, which is Nutria. What is this Nutria? Nutria comes from 12 fruits and vegetables. Synergy of 12. So, 12 po na fruits and vegetables, they are combined together. So, maganda yung result because it has a proven benefit, which is, it reduces inflammation in the body. Which is the root cause of many diseases. Yung pamamaga po ng katawan natin. Tapos, prevent and heal skin damage due to mild UV exposure. Ang init na po ng panahon ngayon. Noon, vitamin D, yung sunlight. Ngayon, naging source ng cancer. Kaya mag-ingat po tayo sa katawan natin. Sabi dito, Nutria will improve tissue repair and regeneration. And it also prevent abnormal cellular growth, which is really important because it prevents cancer. Ganyan po kaganda yung Nutria. Tapos, did you know that cancer is the third leading cause of death in the Philippines? Yan po yung fact. Pero ngayon, sa recent study, the first cause of death ngayon is heart disease. Pangalawa is cancer. Third is coronavirus. Third leading cause of death po yung coronavirus. Tapos, we also have our third product, which is FiberLife, a revolutionary and proprietary soluble fiber blend. Ang ganda po. Very easy to remember. It's as easy as ABC. Appetite control, blood sugar control, and cholesterol control. And did you know that heart disease is the #1 cause of death in the Philippines? Not only in the Philippines, but in the whole world. And sabi dito, diabetes is the fastest growing disease in the Philippines. Kaya po mag-ingat po tayo. Mahilig po tayo kumain ng matatamis, ice cream, chocolates, cakes. Ingat po tayo. Ito po yung panlaban natin. Okay. So, paano po natin inumin? Paano po, ano yung difference? Okay. Ito po, lifestyles, products, Intra, Nutria, and FiberLife. So, how do you take it? Intra, anytime of the day, with or without food. And its benefit is to support your 8 body systems. Ang Nutria can be taken after meal. Sabi dito, it's anti-aging, it's for cancer prevention. Ito po yung nagpapabata. Ito po yung tumutulong sa katawan mo maging healthy. Yung FiberLife can be taken before meal with plenty of water, 2 glasses of water. Maganda po nito, it lowers your cholesterol, your blood sugar. So, ito yung magpapasexy sa'yo. So, maganda po yung produkto natin. Once you take Intra, Nutria, and FiberLife, now more than ever, they are better together. So, inumin mo to araw-araw, bawat isa sa kanila. Pag inumin mo together, maganda po yung result. Okay. So, how much do you care for your body? Ito yung napakahalagang tanong eh. Sa panahon natin ngayon, ito yung itanong mo sa sarili mo. Do you really take care of your body? Ako naman, on my part, I took the product when I was 25. I am so blessed because maganda po yung result ng product Intra, Nutria, and FiberLife because I became healthy and our family are now very healthy. All of them, we as a whole family are taking the products seriously and we are enjoying the benefits of the products. So, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kayo ba, do you take care of your body? Sometimes, we are so consumed with our daily routine. Masyado tayong busy sa trabaho, naalagaan natin mga anak natin, but we often forget the very best important thing, yung sarili natin. Remember, folks, that we only have one body. We must take care of it more than anything. Because once you lose your health, everyone suffers.